Before you make a service call, dryer repair tips. If the dryer won't start, check to be sure that the dryer is plugged in. This seems so simple, but you don't need a repair technician to do it. Plugs can get bumped loose by animals or fallen objects. If that doesn't work, move on to the next item on this checklist. Once you've made sure the dryer is properly plugged into the electrical outlet but it still won't run, it's time to check your central home electrical box to see if a fuse has blown or a circuit breaker has tripped. You may be able to replace the fuse or turn the breaker back on. This is a good time to check the voltage in the outlet with a voltage meter. Be sure that your outlet is functioning properly. If not, call an electrician immediately. If a dryer turns on and then shuts off very quickly, under 5 minutes or so, it is usually a problem with either the thermostat or thermal resistor. The thermal fuse blows and turns off the dryer to prevent overheating. Stop the drying cycle and check inside. If it takes forever for a load of clothes to dry and your clothes come out covered in lint, clean out that lint filter. If the lint filter is full, then air is not flowing freely and your machine is forced to work longer than necessary. You've checked everything. If you've kept the operating manual, get it out and read it. You may just find the answer to your question. If you don't have the manual, visit the manufacturer's website. It may take a little time, but it's much less expensive than a repair call. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.